How to make money on Freelancer with translation services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to search or to hire someone for some translation services, I will just go to the hire freelancers in here, click on by skill. Then you will be able to see all of the freelancers that are doing a lot of tasks. So for example, if I was looking for a translator for German or French, Portuguese, English or Spanish. So for example, let's say I'm looking for an English translator. Here you will be able to hire expert English translators for any job, and by scrolling down you will be able to see their profiles. So here let's click on see more English translators. So here you can see their profiles, how much they're getting paid per hour, their headline, their description as well, how much, where are they from, and the reviews, the stars that they've got, the feedback. You'll be able to see everything about them in their profile. And if you find anyone that suits you, you can hire him. So why I'm telling you this is because in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people in order to showcase your skills as well for the business owners to check your profile, and if they find you, if you fit their requirements, you will be able to get hired by them. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile in this platform. So here click on earn money freelancing. Make sure to fill these information, your first name, last name, email and password, the usual information. Then you click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password, then click on login and give it a few seconds. And then you will proceed to your dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything about your profile. So here in your top right, you have your profile button. It's where you can view your profile, see your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, settings, and also everything about your finances like your balance, if you want to add funds, withdraw funds, your transaction history, your financial dashboard, payment sharing, support, invite friends and log out if you want to log out from your profile. So let's go back to view profile. We still have some things to improve or change our profile, and as you can see, our profile looks pretty empty. No jobs completed, no on budget, nothing on time, repeat hire rate is empty as well, no money, no reviews. We don't have even a profile picture. So here let's click on edit profile, and as you can see, we need first to verify our email in order to be able to change anything about our profile. So guys, when you're done with verifying your email, then go to the verifications in here, go to verifications and make sure to join a preferred freelancer. As you can see, not a member of our elite group of the best freelancers. So make sure to join. Then you proceed to your identity. So make sure to verify your identity not verified through a government issued ID, check and proof of address. Same thing with your payment, not verified to have a valid payment method. Phone number as well, phone number not verified, email, and make sure also to connect your Facebook account. And guys, if you are asking why I need to do all of these things, simply because doing those verifications will make you gain credibility and trust in this platform. So after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to enter your hourly rate and then your professional headline and your description as well. Then you can change your skill. So let's change the skill. Let's remove virtual assistant. And as you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. So make sure to choose all of the skills that you can do. So here, let's search for a translation. Let's remove this. Let's go with translation. So here, let's go with translation. And make sure to scroll down to click on save, to save the changes. Then when you're done with your skills, then you proceed to fill in your portfolio as well. Click on manage to fill your portfolio. And for the reviews, you cannot do anything. The reviews are controlled by the business owners who hire you or the visitors that hire you. And then make sure to fill your experience as well, education, qualifications, and publications also. All of those things help you gain more trust and credibility in the platform. So after you're done with making all of these changes to your profile, it's time to find some jobs to apply for. So let's go to browse, click on project, and here scroll down, remove virtual assistant, and enter the skill you can do. So here we're going to enter translation. Translation. This one. And here you'll be able to see all of the posted jobs about this skill, but as you can see, no results matched your search. So let's move it to something more like English translation, English translator. And here we have this one job, Cambodia country engagement coordinator, 6 days ago, budget $30. And you can read the description of the job or the project, and then you can check the project. You can check the comments. So by scrolling down, you can see the comments. So here I think we still need to verify our email to see the comments. So here we have 37 comments and they're not shown. And here you can see everything about the job. You can apply for it if it fits you. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.